Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'll walk you through the basic of setting up AWS t2.micro instance, which is free for an entire year as a part of AWS free tier. I'll show you how to assign Elastic IP as well. By the end of this video, you'll have fully configured t2.micro instance with Elastic IP. Let's dive in.
So after registering, when you log in into your AWS account, this is how it will appear. So I am selecting the region Mumbai. You can select as per your convenience, and then you have to select EC2, and you'll see this kind of dashboard. You have to click on instances, and there you'll click on launch instances. So here you have three options, that is to launch instance, launch from template, and migrate a server. So we will be going with the launch instances. So after launch instance, there you have to give a unique name. You can give anything. I'm giving uh, this name. Okay, select your operating system. I'm selecting Ubuntu. And here you can select the version. I mean the type, image type, and I'm selecting the first one, that is the free tier eligible. Okay, other are chargeable, so they basically charge on the basis of per hour price, like hourly usage. So here you have to select instance type. So by default, like there are different type of instances, like T2 micro, T2 nano, T2 small, medium, large, and every type is differentiated on the basis of how much memory, virtual CPUs, and uh, uh, what basically their configurations are. So on the basis of that, they are uh, differentiated. If you are building some large product which needs a lot of memory, or high processors and everything, you can select the better one. But as I'm just building a information based website, for that I just need T2 micro. I'll select T2 micro from here. Let us select the key pair now. If there isn't any key pair, then you can create one. So basically, it is used to log in into your server. So if you are using putty or something like that, then you generate PPK key. And if you're directly accessing from terminal, but PPK will work on the terminal as well. But I believe PEM file is better. So let us use that. And then firewall security. If you have already have any existing security group, please select that. If you don't have, then select the create, like by default selected option, create security group. Allow SSH and mark these all options as checked. You can also select the custom IP from where you can allow the SSH access, but in my case, I'm allowing all of them. So, and then here it comes the SSD. By default, it is 8 GB. Okay, I think that was changed. Changed it back to T2 micro, and everything else looks good. Click on launch instance, and it started creating. Okay, it is done. Um, Now let us go back to the instance. This is the basic information which will start appearing on your instance dashboard. Now I'll assign an Elastic IP. So basically, Elastic IPs are assigned because whenever uh, you create an instance, there is a default IP assigned to your system, a public IP from which you can access your the HTML folder or the server from that public IP. But if due to some issues your server is restarted or something like that happened, so in that case your IP will change. So to keep the IP same, we assign an elastic IP. So you can go from to the elastic IP and then allocate elastic IP, then allocate one. Okay, everything, you do not need to do anything. Just keep the setting like this, click on allocate, and now you see an option to associate this elastic IP. You can select from that green bar also, and but if you select the options from there also, you get that options. I'm selecting the instance and private IP address, and that's it. I'll click on associate now, and once it is done, I'll have a unique public IP which will not change even if it restarts or anything happens like that. So that was it.
I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.